Hi everybody, welcome back. So I just went shopping and I wanted to show you what I got very quickly. And this is the Spade camera bag. And it's super cute. Got a bunch of stuff in there. Super stuff. And I always reuse the stuffing. I just keep it. And I use it for my other bags. But this is such a gorgeous bag. It's small. That's the thing. It's super tiny. But I think I'm gonna use it for errands. Quick errands. It's got the care booklet. So it has one back pocket. And it says Kate Spade. And then in the front, it's got 4 credit card slots. So I have more credit cards than that, so I have to figure that out. So it's got 4. And then just one compartment. It's really small. It's a camera bag, super small, but it fits the essentials. And like I said, I'll use it for like a quick run to the bank or something, or to get coffee. It's so cute. I love the Suede. The name of the Suede, Courtney Suede. Super gorgeous. And then the strap is just leather. Oh, it's got a back pocket. I didn't see this. So this is probably, okay, for like the phone. It's a phone pocket. Okay, it's pretty roomy. It's not tight or anything like that. So I like that. Some of these bags, it's really hard to get in there. They're super tight. But this one's super roomy. See? It's very flexible. I like that about it. I love the tassel. And always, the zippers are always good quality. But yeah, this is the Kate Spade camera bag in the Courtney Suede. Super cute bag. I'll probably do a review once I wear it a little bit more. But for now, I just wanted to show you the unboxing. Before any use. Thank you guys for watching.